In this video, I am going to show you how to add 0 or any custom digit before any number. Here you can see there's a column. Here I have written some random number, and in the second column here I have added 0 before all the number. In the third column I have added here plus 91 before all the number. So how to do this? Let's see. At first I'm showing you how to add 0 before any number. Let's say I would like to add 0 before all the number. So I need to select here blank column, then I need to write here or press equal button, then press and hold shift button and double click the quotation button, and in between this quotation mark I need to write here 0. After second quotation I need to write here and then select the number, press enter and select this right icon. Now here you can see I have added 0 before all the number. Now let's say I would like to add some custom digit. Again the same process, select the blank column, press equal, then press and hold shift button, then double click quotation button from keyboard. In between this quotation mark, let's say I'd like to add here plus 91 before all the number. So plus 91, again after second quotation press here and select the number and then press enter and just simply select here plus icon. Now you can see plus 91 is added before all the number. So I think in this way you can add 0 or any custom digit before any number.